hydrated, everyone. So let's show them how I put my lip product on.
Dahil pag kumanya ni mag-milk.
Hey, that's mine. That's not yours. Hey, right.
Haha, I burp. Haha, you can burp.
Yung burp. Sabi na tita mo, Mimi you daw. Wait, Mimi you. Wait.
That's Mama Ruth. That's my first, wait, no. That's my third mom.
Paano mo, Mama? Saan ka ba talaga lumabas?
Well, lumabas ako technically sa first mom ko, which is her.
Ate Alice, can I borrow that?
That's my first
cake?
mama.
That color?
Who's your second mama? The second mama is
Who's
Mama
si Ate
Ted.
Alice, guys?
And then my third mama is, Mama Ruth. And then my fourth mama is Mama Jade.
Isn't that weird?
You have two mamas.
I have three. I have three.
So we're not sisters. What are we?
What?
We're not sisters.
You can't be sisters. No.
Oh no. Ano?
Cousins.
You mad, bro? You mad?
Not mad. Who's mad?
Oh, wait. Kapamilya. Matag mo sa ay sa Tagman ako ng ilang beses na matatagpan. Bagong damit naman. Really? Like that is how you put it.
You guys are so
And that's another bunso.
Yeah, I'm actually the youngest here, but they always insist that they're the youngest, so I'm fine.
Because you're more dalaga than we are.
You're more dalaga than I am.
By age.
Well, I'm just matured, pero I'm still a baby. I just don't.
See namin nila, so I'm
Yeah, she's the one.
No, you're not.
I am.
Are you really the baby?
I'm the babiest of the babiest of them all.
No, no.
How dare you agree with her?
No, no.
Oh my god.
Really? No. Why should I come to you? I come to you because we're the real baby.
Yeah.
We're the pretend baby.
Yeah.
I'm not the
You're
pretend.
the imposter.
Oh my gosh. Don't you call me imposter or what?
Or what? What? What are you gonna do? I think I know what you're thinking.
What? What? No, I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that.
Oh, that's not yours?
That's not mine. Oh!
I'm not the only
Oh
one.
my god.
I just... Oh, there's people out there.
No, not there. Or I was not going to pass yourself.
Was it?
Yeah. Malayuan tayo ng magic ng laway. Yung pinakamalayo, yun yung baby. Ang sabi mo, Tensay. Oh, pinakamalayo.
Ready na tayo though.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Sa likod naman natin dati. Ito naman eh.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That's my mama.
Isn't it that
Oh,
weird?
that's my mama.
Hi, young girl.
Ow.
What are you doing? Blast me.
Ow. Hurting me. You know, even if you put that, it's not gonna work.
Di ba sabi mo ganun?
Yeah.
And then,
Ano ba yan?
Kennedy.
More back.
Parang masisira na. Masisira.
Ganyan na.
Ah! What the freak?
That's the purpose, for it to be broken. Just like
Makeup! Wala naman.
meron nga.
Hindi, sabi ko, wala naman.
Wala na.
Meron? Meron ba akong reaction?
Baby, because they know I have something.
Of course, malamang hihingi sila sa alam nilang walang sandio. Oh my God.
Ha? Malamang hihingi sila sa alam nilang walang sandrio.
No.
Oh my God.
Common sense.
Girl.
I was like, malamang alam hihingi sila sa alam nilang
You
walang
didn't say alangan.
Girl, but that was...
You did that.
Wait. I'm fixing my face because it's broken.
Just like you.
I'm broke. I don't have money. I don't have anything. Just, I'm cute. I should stop now. Because, no, I shouldn't stop laughing. Laughing is the best medicine.
Oh my gosh.
You see that?
That is my JYC color.
You see, there's, that lyrics color. Jamie Lisa. What does that say?
So are you keeping me out of my own group?
There. Oh my God. This is so good, guys.
Come on, give me back my brush. I'm gonna use it.
Watching. Alam mo yung pinakaluin.
Aju. Hey, why you doing that?
Magic!
Ghastly. Aju.
Pakonsentrate ako. Ayaw?
What are you trying to say? Gusto ko matching. I'm a sneeze and do it.
Ayaw na niya eh. Ayaw na niya mag-atching. Ikaw.
Wait lang nga, sa center na.
Ayaw mo nga. Sige na.
Oh my gosh, kaya mo.
Sa center ka na.
Kasi birthday mo naman eh.
Wait lang.
Master. You can do that? You're not a baby.
That's why I'm the baby because I can
No,
do that.
you're not a baby.
No,
That's sad.
What do you think of?
I'm extraordinary.
Other side.
I can also do that.
Ay, gawin na to. Huwag takilid mo.
Takilid.
Yan! Tapos, sa kapila. Ganun.
Eh, sabay natin gawin yun.
1, 2, 3.
I can do that.
You can. No, that's me way. It's different from... You're doing this.
See, you can. Princess can't do it.
I can.
No, only this one.
You're the one who's
Ito
not
sa
doing
kanya eh.
pala eh. Whatever.
Whatever.
I'm gonna be sad. Kung hindi rin lang ikaw by December.
What?
Kung hindi rin lang ikaw by December.
What?
Kinakabahan na ako.
Oh yeah, because it's
Ow!
that's
That's normal.
No.
Kapag di ka kinakabahan, you're abnormal.
Yeah.
Kapag hindi ka kinakabahan, mag-wonder ka.
Because,
It means there's something wrong.
yeah.
Or you're just confident.
That
But that's too much confidence if you're not like even the professional.
why are we speaking in English?
Because Ate Alice said that we need to
Alright,
practice our
right.
English.
Oh, she said.
Yeah.
But, I'm already nervous because after the Love Live performance of us celebrants, I'm gonna be performing live.
Her solo.
Every
Every
1 minute
single
and
thing.
the 1 minute and 30 seconds
Who's gonna be with you there?
pure live. Pure vocals.
Who's gonna be with you guys?
Acoustic din naman siya.
Yeah.